Prop C funds the cost of student devices, upgraded door security, and new public announcement systems for various campuses. Student devices are now 5 years old and at the end of their effective life cycle. Devices show signs of general wear and tear from daily use. Students experience disruptions and lose instructional time due to slower devices. Smith Intermediate and Marti Elementary Schools have PA systems that are more than 20 years old. The systems are unreliable and cannot be repaired as their components are no longer manufactured. PA systems are used in daily campus operations and student and staff safety procedures. District-wide door locking mechanisms are aging and failing from daily use. Some doors are not in compliance with TEA standards. Prop C will provide PA systems at Smith and Marti Elementary Schools for use during recess and student transitions. Prop C will also impact all campuses by upgrading secure card readers and auto-locking and unlocking door hardware that only authorized staff can enter buildings. Election day for Cleburne ISD's bond proposal is Tuesday, November 4th. Early voting is October 20th through the 31st. Registered voters can vote early at the Johnson County Elections Office, and weekend voting is available. More information on the bond is available on the district's website at c-isd.com/bond. And remember, go vote!